Hey guys, on today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at some free games right here you guys get with PS Plus. So let's go into that tab. From here, just scroll down and then go into monthly games. It's gonna be your third option. From here, it's just gonna pop up all the recent games that you guys have available at the moment. So let's just go on and tap on this one, for example. We're gonna get started, add it to your library, never click on the price, never add it to your cart, always just add it and then download. These are not trials, these are free games right now, as long as you guys have PS Plus. So this is for those of you who have just the basics PS Plus. You guys will be able to get these, download them at any point in time. So let's say you guys don't want to download them right now, just add them to your library and then download them whenever you guys like. So let's say it's 6 months from now or a year from now, you can go ahead and do that. That's for sure. So right now I'm downloading this one, but let's say you guys change your mind and you want to cancel that download. It's not a problem. You guys can go back to it and download it anytime, like I mentioned before. So this one's 23 gigs. Then we got this one that's at 9 gigs. And the first one that we went to, which is only 111 gigs. Also remember that all these games are free for now, which means that if you're watching this a little bit too late or a few months from now, then you guys would see a fresh new batch of free games. However, these would be over. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.